Welcome to LearningHubX Maths. Here's a question for you. If I have 12 apples and I want to divide them equally, what numbers can I use? Take a moment and think about it. Could I divide them into two equal groups? How about 3, 4, 5? Today you'll learn the secret behind it, factors. Factors are numbers that multiply together to make a given number. So let's look at 12 apples. What numbers can multiply together to make 12? 2 times 6 equals 12. So 2 and 6 are factors of 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. So 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. And don't forget, 1 times 12 equals 12. So 1 and 12 are factors too. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Notice something important. Factors come in pairs. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3, and 4. If I try 5, it doesn't work. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Now let's try something different. I have 57 square tiles. What rectangles can I build? First, let's start the same way we did before. We're looking for numbers that multiply together to make 57. 1 times 57 equals 57. So 1 and 57 are factors, but we don't stop there. Let's check if 57 can be divided by 2. No, it's not even. What about 3? 57 divided by 3 equals 19. So that gives us another factor pair, 3 and 19. So the factors of 57 are 1, 3, 19, and 57. Now here's the divisibility rule for 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number itself is divisible by 3. Let's check 57. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 57 is divisible by 3, and this works for any number. Let's try 123. Add the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so 123 is divisible by 3. In fact, 123 divided by 3 equals 41. Now that we've learned the shortcut for dividing by 3, let's learn a few more useful shortcuts. These will help you find factors much faster. First, the rule for 2. An integer is divisible by 2 if it is an even number. That means it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. For example, 48 is divisible by 2. 57 is not. Next, the rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. For example, 35 is divisible by 5. 42 is not. Now here's the rule for 9. Add the digits together. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For example, 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So 81 is divisible by 9. Finally, and it's the rule for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. For example, 120 is divisible by 10. 57 is not. These shortcuts make it much easier to find factors quickly and efficiently. To summarize today, we learned that factors are numbers that multiply together to make a given number. We used factor pairs to find all the factors of a number, and we explored helpful divisibility rules to quickly check whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9, or 10. These shortcuts make finding factors faster and more efficient. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.